Looking for a dependable power source for your Dell laptop? The Genuine Dell AC Adapter offers a perfect match for various Dell models, ensuring your device stays charged and ready to go when you need it most. This adapter comes with a 1-meter power cord and a 19.5V2 31A output, tailored for seamless performance. Compatibility matters, and this adapter delivers. It supports a range of Dell computers, including popular models like the XPS 129Q23, XPS 13 series from L321X to 9370, Inspiron 2-in-1 models such as 7386 and 7350, Vostro series, and Latitude 133379 2-in-1. That means fewer worries about fit or power issues. What sets this adapter apart is its genuine build quality. Unlike generic chargers, this Dell adapter features a 4.5mm tip designed specifically for your laptop, ensuring a secure connection and consistent power delivery. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to carry, whether you're working from home or on the move. Customer feedback highlights not just the product's reliability but also the support behind it. One buyer shared how their charger started working intermittently after 11 months, but the seller promptly responded and offered a free replacement within 10 days. No hassle, no questions asked. That kind of service adds peace of mind. Another user praised how this adapter matches the original cord perfectly and works flawlessly. The compact size and dependable performance make it a solid choice for anyone needing a trustworthy replacement or spare charger for their Dell laptop. If you're tired of unreliable third-party chargers or looking to restore your laptop's charging speed, this Genuine Dell AC adapter is worth considering. It's built to meet Dell's standards and backed by responsive customer service, so you get both quality and support. Ready to keep your Dell laptop powered without interruption? This adapter offers exactly what you need: compatibility, durability, and a compact design that fits your lifestyle. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free charging and reliable performance. Don't settle for less when it comes to powering your laptop. Choose the Genuine Dell AC adapter and enjoy consistent power, a perfect fit, and customer service that stands behind the product. It's a smart upgrade for any Dell user looking to stay connected and productive.